Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant UnrealCEFSubProcess.exe on PC. It's quite easy and fast fix, so without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to completely close Riot Games Launcher here, and also on the bottom right corner you should see a Riot Vanguard. Also you can exit here and then check on your task manager if there is no basically programs running related to Riot Games, Valorant, or Valorant Vanguard. And after you do that, then the next thing what you need to do here, you need to on search just write firewall and network protection. And once this window open up, then you need to go to allow an app through firewall. And then you need to press change settings and look for Riot client here, as you can see here, and make sure the private and public thing is on here. And if you do not find Riot client, what you need to do here, you need to again press change settings and then allow another app, press browse, and then you need to look for your Riot Games files. So here it should be Riot Games, Riot client, and add this thing here, right? And then make sure that also Riot client is on private and public, and then press OK. And if the problem persists, what I suggest you here to do next is to update your OS to the latest drivers. So on search, just write check for updates, and here press check for updates and install the latest drivers here. And if you have some here, and then reboot your computer and try to run Valorant again. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.